Hi guys, this is video number 6 and we are going to learn a new note today. Last time we talked about, well, I know we had a video right before this, but the last lesson we learned about whole notes and half notes, and I made a mistake. I'm so sorry. On our half note, I forgot to show you how we can remember the half note. Now a half note is 2 beats, 2 long beats. So here's how I remember a half note. It's kind of fun. Half note. You try it. Half note. One more time. Ready? Half note. All right, now let's review the other ones. You remember what he's called? It looks like a whole. He's a whole note, and he's 4 long beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can remember him like this. Whole note. Remember this one? Quarter rest. And he's 1 silent beat. That's your hint. Quarter note. Did I get them all? I think I got them all. We have a new one. Also, if you struggled with that, have your parent or your grown-up, have them help you. Hold up a card and quiz, have them quiz you, or you know what, you could even quiz them. And we'll see how they do. We have a new one today. Another new one. This is an 8th note. Think like 8th grade, an 8th note. And an 8th note, I bet you think he's going to be worth 2 beats, don't you? You would be not correct. An 8th note is still worth 1 beat. 1 beat. And it's a little bit tricky. So I'm going to show you on here how an 8th note works. And here's how we can remember 8th note. Make 2 fists like this, and we're going to go 8th note, 8th note, 8th note, 8th note. Try it. 8th note, 8th note, 8th note, 8th note. Kind of tricky to say. Let's try it one more time. 8th note, 8th note, 8th note, 8th note. All right. So I want you to imagine with me that we have 4 hearts. And these 4 hearts are our, you know what it's going to be? These are terrible hearts. I'm so sorry. These 4 hearts are our steady beat. Beat stays the same, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the 8th notes I told you are worth 1 beat. Even though there's 2 notes, they're like little twins. They're little twins. They live in the same house. They live in one house, even though there's 2 of them. So we have 8 notes here. That has nothing to do with the name 8th note. But there are 8 notes here, but they're only 4 beats. All right? So we're going to say and when we say the second one. And it's going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. So I'm going to point to the hearts and I'm going to say the rhythm. Let's see if this makes sense. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you clapped that rhythm, it would look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Think of it this way. If I clap, every time I clap my hands down, that's the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. But there's an empty space when my hand goes up. That's the and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the 8th note really just is doubling the beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm going to replace, I know this is so sloppy, I'm so sorry. I'm going to replace beat number 2. And I'm going to take that 8th note out and I'm going to replace it with a quarter note. It's still 4 beats here, but we're not going to do a double note here. We're not going to do an 8th note, just a quarter note. And it'll sound like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Now I'm going to replace this beat 4 with a quarter note. So now we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to replace this with a quarter rest. Same concept. It's going to sound like this. 1 and 2. Oh, I messed up, didn't I? Because this is beat 2. Let's try it again. 1 and 3 and 4. Now, this is going to take some time. If you don't get it, it's okay. It's just going to take practice. Your next activity I think is going to help a lot, and it's going to be kind of fun. It's with food, and I love food. You're going to match the food up with the rhythms, and we're going to keep working on this, and you're going to get it. So I'll see you next time. Good luck.